Sports Drivers Association, doing a great job. Two more races to go in the SLADA calendar. Great team with outstanding teamwork. Perfect display of leadership by Mr. Yoga Ferreira.
So there's Dilan Seneviratne should be a major force through the race. Damit Veerasinghe, I expect something special from him, the young driver. Comes of a good pedigree too. Ashan Silva, all eyes on him. He's done reasonably well over the last few races. Pasidhu Piris, this is a good lineup of drivers in the front of the grid, in fourth grid position. So, Group SLH cars up to 1600 cc. The first race over 6 laps. Portage Batik Trophy is on offer. Sumedha, this should be something to see with the dust.
Exactly. Harika, this is one of the best events in the race. 2 races. Also a championship event. The track, I was waiting for this moment. The driver's track is a very tricky one, undulated ground, and you get it's a clockwise track, as I said before. You get a lot of downslopes, and you need a lot of skill to handle this type of a track. Very tricky track for both drivers and riders. A lot of dust coming up.
The climb up to the Seat corner was treacherous, to say the least, and it's a big advantage for Dilan Seneviratne to be right in front. He's holding in position quite well. Damit Veerasinghe is lying second, Ashan Silva third as they head into the Singha corner, exiting it in that fashion.
Very risky bend here.
Up the People's Bank summit, exiting it into the traffic corner, exiting it and straight into the Seat corner. Veerasinghe goes wide, so is Ashan Silva. He's trying to creep inside, not easy. Pasidhu Piris lying fourth.
Very well. Honda cars, 1600 cc's, all with equal capacity.
Crowds have improved, so is the action. The temperatures have grown. It's a hot race.
In this stretch, of course, I'm sure that they hit 160. And the beauty is when you negotiate the next bend, immediately you have to come to the down to the first gear.
We have a 360-degree sight of the track from here. As Dilan Seneviratne keeps his position. Ashan Silva pushing Damit Veerasinghe. Oh, this is absolutely brilliant stuff if you can pick it up. I don't know whether you can pick everything up because of the dust. We have a bird's eye view and it's hot. Believe me, Ashan Silva is pushing Damit Veerasinghe, but the young chap is holding his nerve and his car.
This track is, maybe it could be an advantage for some of the competitors. Whoever that gets the best timing will get the pole, and also it is very important to get the lead because it's a dusty track. Also a little bit of tar and then the gravel.
Silva, Ashan Silva, that is pushing Damit Veerasinghe into the Singha track, exiting out of it slow. Then they come to the double ascents and the double descents, which is pressurous. Dilan Seneviratne is in front. He's comfortable. Ashan Silva is pushing Damit Veerasinghe, holding a good racing line. This is a superb race. Fighting for the last two. Ashan Silva has to get in front of Damit Veerasinghe. If he's having any chances of challenging Dylan Seneviratne up in front. Veerasinghe is not giving any chance. He's the one under tremendous pressure. And the youngster is so far able to hold off the challenge. Know whether you can pick up the challenge. Ashan Silva is in trouble. He still stays on the course. Oh, great camera work. Damit Veerasinghe take a bow. That's the stuff that you are made of. Ashan Silva will push everything. Absolutely everything. He did extremely well to get into hot water and get out of his pole sober.
Laps to go. Sun is coming up and the race is getting heated little by little. Lot of dust clouds coming out.
Ashan Silva has trouble with his car. I don't think he can go too far. He's withdrawn and a lot of smoke coming out from the rear of his car. Is he trying to get out? Is the door locked? No, he's okay. He gets out. So that means Pasindu Piris, Janaka Dias is in position. Janaka Dias is in third place.
Damit Seneviratne, Damit Veerasinghe.
That's what happened to Ashan Silva after all that. He must be disappointed. Knows what to do with these engines. So he had a good look around the car and he looks comfortable. He's kept his helmet on top of the car, which means nothing serious. Still white smoke coming out of the exhaust. Meanwhile, Dylan Seneviratne is being chased by Damit Veerasinghe and Janaka Dias in third place. Pasindu Piris is fourth.
Has come up with the checkered flag at the finishing end.
Good race for Dylan Seneviratne and even better one for Damit Veerasinghe. Janaka Dias was in third and he was fortunate to get there.
Here is Dylan Seneviratne. He acquired the best timing yesterday. The timing and we have the best timing equipment provided by Sri Lanka Autosports Drivers Association. He's from the Easy Racing team. A good day, good start for Easy Racing. Very competitive race. Here we have the finalists Dylan Seneviratne, Damit Veerasinghe and Janaka Dias.
Supercross 2013 නිමවදුරු තරගය තිවුණු තරගයක් බවට පරිවර්තනය වුණා. ඒ තිවුණු තරගයේ විශේෂ අවස්ථාවේ ඔබ දකින්නේ ඩිලන් සෙනෙවිරත්න කාලගණනයේදී ඉදිරියෙන් රැඳී සිටි ධාවකයා බවට පත් වුණේ. කෙසේ වෙතත් ආශාන් සිල්වා ජනක ඩයස් වැනි ප්‍රබල තරගකරුවන් මේ තරගය නියෝජනය කළා. නමුත් ඊයේ දවසේදී කාලගණනයේ සිට ඉදිරියෙන් රැඳී සිටි ඩිලන් සෙනෙවිරත්න තමන් ලබා ගත්තේ ජයග්‍රහණය මේ පරතරය තවදුරටත් වැඩි දියුණු කරගත්තා.
Initially, Damit Veerasinghe was in second place and Ashan Silva third. Ashan Silva tried to creep in on a few occasions. He couldn't. He was in trouble in that occasion. Although he continued the race, he couldn't go too far and he withdrew, which meant that Janaka Dias was able to come in third place and ahead of Pasindu Piris.
පෙර වතාවේදී දමිත වීරසිංහ සමගින් ප්‍රබල සටනක නිරත වුණු ආශාන් සිල්වාගේ රථය අනතුරට ලක් වුණු මොහොත වරක් දෙවරක් ඔහු ගැටීමකට ලක් වුණා. එහි ප්‍රතිඵලයෙන් අනතුරු ඔහු තරගයෙන් ඉවත් වීම රථය ඉවතට ගත්තා ඔහු.
Championship event, so 5 drivers will be in focus. So we are waiting for the presentation ceremony to begin. Good tight race. Ashan Silva will be disappointed. He couldn't really complete in style, but we must mention Damit Veerasinghe under tremendous pressure from Ashan Silva. Ashan Silva is no small driver to keep off. But this young chap, Damit Veerasinghe, has been working out. Now, Ashan Silva's car is being towed away, and the souvenir tells us that the recovery marshals are doing their job pretty quickly. Chief Recovery Marshal Sam Chandrasoma and his team is doing a good job. But this is where Ashan Silva tried to creep in, came inside, but Damit Veerasinghe, you must have nerve to hold off that challenge surely and come out scratch-free.
Damit Veerasinghe සහ ආශාන් සිල්වා අතර ඉවර ගැටුම සිදු වුණේ. කෙසේ වෙතත් වීරසිංහගේ රථයත් යම්කිසි හැරීමකට ලක්වන්නට ගියා. නමුත් ඔහු හසුරුවා ගත්තා. නමුත් ආශාන්ට පාලනය කරගන්නට හැකියාවක් ලැබුණේ නැහැ. වරක් නොවේ දෙවතාවක් ඔහුට සිදු වුණා පැති ගැටුමකට මැදිවන්නට.
Presentation coming up. Fifth place. Pasidhu Peris came in fifth. Janak Kadais third. Damit Veerasinghe second. Dilan Senaviratne from start to finish was in front. I would believe Upulwan was fifth. Major DMN Aman Pola was involved in the presentation ceremony.